Hello, and welcome to this new 3CX tutorial. Today, we are going to see how to use the 3CX web client for making calls, chat with coworkers, create web meetings, and check the call history. To start, we will need to log in to the web client with the credentials provided in the welcome email. After this, you will see the window that you are looking at right now. Let's start with the calls. To make external calls, you can find a square-shaped icon at the top right part of the window. This is a numeric keyboard, where you can dial any phone number, and the system will make the proper call. To call an extension, you will find in this part a phone icon. Just press it, and you will make the call. You can also check if that person is available or if is on a phone call, to make sure to call at a proper time. To check the call history, you have to go to the call history option on the main menu, on the left part of your screen. Here, you can see the calls related to your extension with date and time. Also, you can view them in groups such as incoming, outgoing or missed. There is another feature that is, chatting. You can chat with colleagues by going to the chat option. Click on this part, and you will go to your chat with that extension. Besides, you will find the chat history on the chat field, located in the left part of your screen. Now, let's continue with the web meetings. The web meetings allow you to communicate with one or more people at the same time. You can schedule a conference or a meeting. To do so, you have to come here to the Schedule Conference tab. There are many options. The type of conference, audio or video. When is the meeting happening, now or later, you can scroll to find the day. The subject of the meeting. Notes to participants and create the meeting. You can also do it straight away and share the link to the web meeting. For guests at the web meeting, there is no need to have a 3CX account. To create Join the Web Meeting, just click on the Web Meeting option on the left menu, and click Join Now. Then, you can share the link to other people by clicking here to get the URL. Whenever a person get a message with the URL, it will allow that person to join the web meeting. And that would be all for today. See you in the next tutorial video. Thanks for watching.